Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set Talkback in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. Talkback features will be useful for using phone for those who has low vision or who are blind people and low vision people can use by hearing the voice in the phone. So you have to first set it to the Talkback, and then you can get the instructions from your phone itself, where to move, where to access, where to touch, etc. For that, first go to the settings of your phone and click on shortcuts and accessibility, and click on accessibility and click on Talkback, and turn on the button against use Talkback. Now click on allow.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback has been updated. Tap to find out more. Window notification shade. Email.
So listen here. Talkback is turned on and it's reading the instruction.
Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or next button. Explore by touch. Home button. Window navigation bar.
If you touch here, it's saying the what it is, and just you can double press on it and you can go to the particular function. For going to home, just you go to double tap on it.
Personal system home screen 1. Double tap to access.
So here if you want to access any app, just tap anywhere on it.
India. Double tap to activate.
And it will say that it is OLX app, and just you have to double tap on it to open it.
OLX India. Unlabeled. Detected.
Okay.
Suppose
if you want to go to settings of your phone, just you go to slide with 2 fingers like this.
Notification shade. Alarm set for Saturday. Quick
Okay.
settings.
Then only you can access the notification panel.
Open settings. Notification shade. Settings. Setting.
Now I would like to turn it off.
Shortcuts and
So I go to the same settings again. Click on accessibility.
Accessibility.
Clicking on Talkback.
Talkback. Use Talkback. Stop Talkback. Stop. Talkback off.
Now Talkback is off and you can use your phone freely. In this way you can easily set Talkback, and this will be useful for those people who are blind or who have low vision. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.